What is up, everyone? It is Mr. Holtz, and today I'm going to walk you guys through a couple demonstrations that help represent a few of the concepts we've been talking about recently in class. Mostly, different kinds of biomolecules and how much energy is contained in each of those, and cellular respiration, or the process that our bodies go through to break down those biomolecules and get energy from our food. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and I hope you guys find this video helpful. So in this test tube here, we have solid potassium chlorate, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it over this Bunsen burner here to decompose this solid compound. And what's going to happen when we decompose our potassium chlorate is it's going to release all the oxygen that's in that compound. And after that happens, we're going to take our innocent little gummy bear here and drop him in the top of the test tube. And what we're going to see happen is the sugar that makes up this gummy bear is going to start decomposing when it reacts with the oxygen in the test tube. So what we're basically representing here is what happens in our mitochondria when your body takes something like a gummy bear that we had as a snack, and it breaks down all the sugars, all the carbohydrate compounds, interacting with the oxygen that we breathe in during cellular respiration. So let's take a look at what happens during that process. It may take a second here for this to decompose, but if you can look carefully, it kind of looks like it's liquefying a little bit, and the solid compound is melting into a liquid. So what we're going to be looking for here is that oxygen that's being released as this liquefies. All right, here we go. All right, that was a lot of gas, so I'm going to open the windows. In this clip, Mr. Diaz and I have set up some test tubes with yeast in them sitting in a warm water bath at 40 degrees Celsius. In one of the test tubes, we added some sugar water, and to the other one, we just added regular water. At the end, you can see that in one of the test tubes, there are quite a few bubbles being produced and almost no bubbles in the other. This shows us that the yeast are producing carbon dioxide gas by going through cellular respiration and breaking down the sugars that were added. So methane is a molecule CH4, as we can see in this picture right here, and it kind of looks like this guy right here, right? A little carbon in the center, 4 hydrogens on the outside. And this molecule is very much structured similarly to the tails on the ends of fatty acids or lipid molecules. So what we can see here is we're going to blow up some bubbles of methane here, and the energy that we're going to be releasing is similar to the energy that's released when our mitochondria is taking lipid molecules from the food that we eat and breaking down the long hydrocarbon tails because they contain lots and lots of energy. And we're going to see that energy being released from a similar molecule that's still also made of carbon and hydrogen atoms.